Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be creating a makeup look using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Now, I asked you guys over on Instagram if you would prefer to see swatches or a makeup look, and I think it was over 70% said makeup look. So you guys have voted and that's what I'm going to do. Now you can see I've already done my base and everything else. I didn't want to bore you guys with it. It is all about this palette today. And I'm going to be creating two different looks. So I'm going to create one look on one eye and a different look on the other eye, just so you can see the versatility of the palette and the colors inside. Let's just get stuck into it. So the first look I'm going to create is inspired by Katie, aka Luster Luxe. And I'm pretty sure she was inspired by Kylie Jenner, and I'm sure she was inspired by someone else. But anyway, it looks fairly simple to create, but it's still quite a bold look with a pop of neon. And neon is so hot this season, along with animal print and the like, but I thought, you know what, this could be a really cool look to wear to Coachella because it's not going to take me long to create and it's still quite a striking look. So I'm going to bring you guys in closer so you can see exactly what I'm doing and how the shadows perform, and let's get started. So I'm going to start with the color Estate, and I'm just going to pack that all over the lid. And I think I'll also just take it up to the brow bone. Then I think I'm going to take Coastline, which is more of a peachy shade, and I'm going to pack that all over the lid. Just going to dip that fluffy brush back into Estate just to fuse out that line, so we don't want any harsh lines. That's actually quite a beautiful colour. It's really pretty. Now, like I said, this is quite a basic eye look, so I'm just going to take Coastline and I'm also going to run it under the lash line. And now let's go in with the neon pop of colour, and that's in the shade Bahamas. Now, the way Katie's done it is just by putting the pop on the inner corner, taking it a little onto the inner lid. Whoa. That was like one little tap. Place that here. Woo! Oh my goodness. This is everything. And then I'm going to go and take Coastline again and just take it over the top slightly again, just to fuse it and so it's not too harsh. Okay, so I'm going to jump off camera, do my liner, lashes, and I will be back with this finished look. So here's the finished look. I absolutely love the pop of neon. I think it gives what would have been quite a basic eye look just something extra and a really fun pop of color. It was really simple to create as well. It took me all of 5 minutes. So I think it's something I could definitely recreate at Coachella quite easily. What do you think? I'm going to get started on the second eye look, and I think I'm going to make this one a little more intense. I'm going to start again by packing Estate on the lid all the way up to the brow bone. Now I think I'm going to do a bit of a pink lemonade inspired look. I thought that could be quite fun. So I'm going to start by taking the shade Cabana, which is like a mustardy yellow. And then I'm going to take Coastline and just take that through the crease, just as a bit of a transition shade. And then I'm going to take Monte Carlo, which is a darker pink, onto the outer and just start to gently fuse it over Cabana. quite pretty, just subtle. Let's amp up the outer corner with a bit of Bahamas, the neon. I like Monte Carlo, but for this look, because I do want it a little more intense, I think Bahamas is just a little bolder. But Monte Carlo is like this really perfect gradient shade, especially for the pinks. Just taking Coastline, just again over the top. Okay, now I really want to amp up the yellow and the pink. So I'm going to go in with Inheritance, and I'm just going to take it on my finger and pack that onto the yellow. Yes, now we're talking. And I'll just take it a smidge over the pink. God, I'm obsessed. Okay, I'll leave it at that. We can always add a little bit more because now I'm going to go in with Palermo and go over the pink in the same way. And now I'm going to go back in with Inheritance and just place a little bit more to blend it with the pink. This is a look I would totally wear in Miami. I absolutely love that. Now let's amp up the lower lash line. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go in with Cannes, which is the purple, and Seychelles, which is the shimmery blue. I think that would look awesome on the lower lash line. Yes. And I'm just dipping into Coastline just to buff out those edges. And now I'm going to take Seychelles. Oh my goodness, I feel like a freaking mermaid. With the purple, that looks so good. Now I think for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with the white, which is Sails, because I just really want that inner corner to pop. I am absolutely loving this so far. I'm going to jump off camera and do my lashes and liner, and I will be right back. So this is the finished eye look. I am obsessed with these colors. Oh my gosh, they blend so beautifully together, and I love how you can pack on a matte shade and then you can apply the shimmer over the top, and it just intensifies the look and makes it so much more vibrant. Okay, I'm gonna go finish my lips in this look and I will be right back. So here is the finished look. Look 1 and look 2. I am so impressed with the Riviera palette. It's probably the nicest palette I've used and, you know, created looks with in a long time. As soon as I saw the colors, I felt inspired by them. I just feel that I keep seeing the same neutral palettes over and over again, and I really enjoy experimenting with color. So as soon as I saw this, there was like zero hesitation. I knew I had to have it, and I'm certainly not disappointed. I think you can really take this palette as far as you want. You can keep it and use it for super simple and basic eye looks, or you can create really glam and intense eye looks as well. I think it's just completely up to you, but I think there's so much versatility with this palette that the looks are really endless. So I'm super happy. The shadows are pigmented. I love the shimmers. They pack on really beautifully, especially on top of the mattes. Some of the mattes had a little bit of kickback, but Just be sure to tap off any excess off your brush and you'll be fine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about the ABH Riviera palette, definitely let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.